In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove that camera icon from the lock screen on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to head over to Settings. On Settings, first off we need to enter Screen Time. After that, tap at Content and Privacy Restrictions. Make sure this option is enabled, and after that head over to Allowed Apps and Features. That's where we can easily find Camera app, and now in order to remove it from the lock screen we need to turn off the switcher next to Camera. After that, if we go to the lock screen, we won't be able to use Camera app. As you can see, it is now grayed out and I cannot open up that app from the lock screen. Unfortunately, the only way to disable the camera on the lock screen is to disable it on the entire device. So right now it won't work even in normal mode. As you can see, camera app icon has been disappeared from this bar where it was located, and even if we try to search for camera using search, we won't be able to find it until we head over back to Allowed Apps and Features, and then until we activate it back again. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.